You can use the count function to count the number of data. Count can be used only to count numbers. In this example, type equals count, open bracket, select range B2 till B11, close bracket and press enter. There is a total of 10 items in our data set. If you try to repeat the count formula on the product column, it will not work. Try to type equals count, open bracket, select range A2 till A11, close bracket and press enter. This time you will get 0. As we mentioned, count formula only counts numbers. In case if you want to count cells that contain text, numbers, or anything, you will have to use the counta formula. Simply type equals counta, open bracket, select range A2 till 11, close bracket and press enter. This time it works, and the result is also 10. Thank you.